Hoy sábado a las 23 UTC no te pierdas mi directo del amerizaje de la misión Inspiration 4, la primera misión de SpaceX con 4 turistas que realizarán el splashdown cerca de la costa de Florida en el Océano Atlántico o el Golfo de México. Además os contaré una actualización de la Starship y otras muchas cosas. Suscríbete al canal y activa la campanilla para recibir las notificaciones de mis directos y no perderte nada de la actualidad espacial. Un saludo, piensonautas, nos vemos luego.
To all the flight control teams. Now we're at about 400 meters. And just passing 300 meters, continuing to descend. We might be right on time. We were planning on splashing down at about 5:45 a.m. Pacific, and we're getting real close to that bingo time. Just past 200 meters.
And we have confirmation that Dragon is now under 100 meters, is 100 meters above the surface of the ocean.
So next up, standing by for splashdown.
And there we have confirmation of splashdown. Dragon has returned to planet Earth. It is now back home, and you can see on your screen our 2 fast boats racing out to the capsule, now in recovery.
That splashdown came right on time, 5:45 a.m. Pacific, 8:45 a.m. over on the East Coast. The teams that have been ready and waiting, they were staged just a few nautical miles away. They're going to start moving in now. You can see those 2 fast approach boats already speeding their way towards the capsule.